Hey everyone! If you see this error when sending or requesting money or adding a bank account, try these steps. Step 1. Check your information. Make sure all fields are filled in correctly. Double check account numbers, names, and other details. Step 2. Clear browser cache. Click the three dots, select History, and clear browsing data. Choose last 24 hours or all time, then click Clear Data. Log back into PayPal and try again. Step 3. Try a different browser. Switch to another browser and retry the process. Step 4. Contact PayPal support. If the problem persists, it might be on PayPal's side. Scroll to the bottom of PayPal's website and click Contact Us. Explain the issue to their support team. And that's it. That's how to fix PayPal something went wrong. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.